Well, here we are, starting my long commute to work in the dark. And as you can clearly see, I'll be taking my 2007 Ford F150 XLT on the trip. As we slowly make our way down the side, there's the suitcase, one of three. The command center. Truck's been running for a little while now to warm up. And it's currently 6:09 in the morning, but I'll be crossing 2 time zones. And current mileage, the expectation is about 15 hours with stops in between. I've been doing this off and on for the last 5 years. Here we are, still in Kelowna, trying to make our great escape north. Traffic is fairly light and road conditions are extremely favorable because we are in the southern part of the province of British Columbia, so yeah. Today's route will take me over at least 2 mountain passes, the Lower Rockies and I guess you call it the Upper Rockies. Currently 6:28, 1 degree out. Good roads, just trying to get out of the city. We're about to leave the last stretch of road by City Park and crossing the Bennett Memorial Bridge. Now this is a concrete structure that actually floats on Lake Okanagan connecting Kelowna and West Kelowna. As you can see there, speed limit is supposed to be 60. I am currently doing 70, and trust me, people are just gonna fly by me because this is their own personal racetrack. I'm doing 65 kilometers an hour. It's a little bumpy, not too bad. We got this big rise coming up. See, that is definitely, I'm doing 68, so that's got to be at least 74. I'm also in the slow lane. Creeping up on this SUV in front of me. Yeah, concrete that floats across the water. Yeah, ingenious solution. Because I mean, you could put a suspension bridge here. You could put, there used to be ferries that ran back and forth way back in the 50s. The first bridge went in 58, and then this one got replaced, I want to say 2008, 2009, somewhere in there. Memory's not good this time of day, but yeah, Google it. Bennett Bridge, Kelowna. All the facts will be right there for you. Across the bridge and climb a hill, this is West Kelowna. And that is a red light. Yeah, there's gonna be many more of those along the way. So there we go, our first stop before we leave on the big adventure. Co-op. I don't know if you got one where you're at, but Western Canada definitely has a lot. Travel beverage, not a promotion. Hopefully we can get some of the cobwebs out of the eyes and keep on going. Because past that sign, it becomes a very dark highway. Very easy to read sign that says exit. It's a nice smooth curve. They recently did the work on the road here, so this used to be a real pothole hell. And if we look out that way, hopefully this picks it up, but there is a glimmer of blue. The sun is coming up. It's currently 6:59 local. Speed limit says 90, and that's gonna kick up to 110 and then 120. Roads are still clear. Temperature is currently -8. And there's a truck pull out up ahead. Get around this guy. And there definitely appears to be some fog rolling in, so we're gonna back out of the... Oh yeah, this is lovely. Very, very lovely. And of course I've got these bright LED headlights which are just going to reflect back. Oh, little clearing. Still, cautionary tale. Well, I'm kind of curious about something. Let's see if these fog lights actually... Well, no, it's clearing. It's clearing. Okay. Guess I got a little worried over nothing. No. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some fog over in the hills that way. But thank God the highway turns left. I'll let you know if anything more scariness happens. But yeah, this is the weather conditions, road conditions, environmental conditions I was talking about. Higher elevations, snow, ice, and now fog. One thing I love about British Columbia, lots of roadside pullouts for these big truckers. They put in long days. Damn, that looks good. And they need a place to pull over, use the bathroom, and get rid of their daily garbage. Alberta, my last trip through, not so much. Do better. So here we are entering another fog patch. What's that say? Highway 5 southbound to Merritt to Hope. We're not going that way. Closed, paving. Who would pave in this time of, like, really? Passing by a slowpoke here. Rounding up the bend. Yeah, the fog is like manageable. It just looks bad, I guess. I don't know if you can hear it, but all the little clink, bink, and chink, those are the rocks on the road right now. Ooh, look how quickly the highway changed, huh? Isn't that something? Merritt welcomes me. Oh, speed limit's 100, definitely a little over that. And over there is the mighty city of Merritt, which is going to be our first stop outside of Kelowna, because I am hungry. We have arrived. Gourmet breakfast. Here I come.